All, welcome to my channel Data Driven Dive, and I'm Sagar back again with yet another important update of Power BI, and it is a very good update as of June. Okay, so how to create these type of card visual in Power BI? Okay, you can see that it is a simple card visual, and here I added some images and also glorifying it, and it looks very nice. How to create these types of visual? Let's start. So I added one more page on my Power BI desktop, and I have supermarket sales data, and in that sales data I have created five measures which I am going to use. First is average rating, then we have total gross income, total quantity, total sales, and total unit price. This is a supermarket sales data. What is the gross income of supermarket, what is the quantity they sale, and what is their total sales, and what is their total unit price, and what is their average rating. So let's start. So first you have some visualizations on your right side of your Power BI desktop. This is visualization pane, and in this visualization you have see the option of card new. How to enable it? You have to go to file, then go to option and setting, then option. In this option tab you have to go to preview features, and then you have to write this checkbox, new card visual. Okay, and first you have to update your Power BI desktop if it is not updated. So let's start. So this is a new card visual. I added it, and I will add average rating and gross quantity, total sales, and total unit price. I have added all the five measures in my Power BI desktop in my card visual. So this is the card visual. This is very simple. And okay, like I will just copy this visual, okay, and paste it here. Okay, now we will do some formatting in this visual so that it will look like that. How to do that? So first we have to select it and then go to format your visual pane, and in that format your visual you have shape option. You can change the shape of your card, so you can make it rounded rectangle, you can make it snip tab, port top. Okay, and I will make it rectangle, and you can make it custom also if you want to make if you want to do it. So there is the option of custom also, so you can customize style, or if you on that customize style option, then you have different options to customize this. Okay, but I want only in rectangle format. Then we have callout. Callout is nothing else than our values, so I will decrease the size of my values. Okay, I will make it 20. Okay, and I will make it bold. Black color is fine. I don't want to do anything else. If you want to change the display unit, you can change from here. You want none display unit, so it will look like that. You want in thousand, so it will look like that. You will want in million, so it will look like that. So I want auto display units. In auto you can also change the decimal values. You can make it 1, you can make it 2, you can make it 3, like that. Okay, but I'll make it auto and to 1 display unit. And then we have labels option. So label is again that what is written over here, average rating, total gross income. These are labels. So I want to decrease the size of this, make it 10, make it bold. Color is fine, I don't want to make it transparent. And position will be, if you want it below value, then you can make it below value. If you want it above value, then you can make it above value. Then we have spacing options. If you want to increase space of both of these, so you can get like that. I will make it 12 pixel, so it will look good. Then we have layout option. So if you want vertical layout, uh, uh, middle, or we can say bottom. So top, middle, bottom, we have three options. Then we have a spacing between cards. If you want to increase the spacing between cards, you can see that as I am increasing the number, it is increasing. So I don't want to increase that much. I want it 5 pixel. It looks fine. Then we have cards option. So this is the main option where we will do all the formatting of our card. Okay, so first we will check the size. We will make it wide, we'll make it normal, we'll make it narrow, or we'll make it custom. You can change your padding according to yourself, but now I want normal. It is a feature given by Power BI itself. In normal, it looks good and it will arrange their padding itself according to Power BI intelligence. Then we have fill option. In fill option, we have color option. We can fill color. So if you fill color, you can see if I fill color, then color will be filled in all of the cards. Okay, so if I want to fill different colors in different cards, so how we can do that? First, you have to go to apply settings to. In series, you have all selected. First, you have to select it average rating. Okay, so first I will make it white again. Okay, and I will select average rating, and suppose I want to fill blue color in average rating, so it is filled with blue color. Then I want to fill total gross income with some another color, so I can select this one. So like that you can do, but now I want all of them white because we will import the colors. Okay, so average rating and make it white. So for now, I will select it as all. Then we can browse image also. So go to this browse image icon and browse it. You can browse image. So you can see it will not look good. Okay, because our size is very big of our card visual and it filled only half of that. So what we can do, we can go to image.fit and we can make it fit. So if we can make it fit, so it will fit according to our card visual. So isn't it amazing, guys? Okay, so by that way we can import the background image. Then we have border option. We can add borders, black color, some another color. Okay, we have orders options of border. We can increase the width of pixel like 2, 3, 4 if you want. Okay, then we have shadow option. If you want shadow of your card visual, so it will look like that. If you don't want shadow, so it will not look good. If you open on the shadow button, then it will look good. Then you have offset option. You want shadow inside or outside, so you can do, and you can also change the position of your shadow, right, left, center, and there are different options. You can make it custom also. You can increase, decrease pixel according to yourself. Okay, so for now we'll select bottom right. Then we have glow option. We can glow our card visual on it, and we can select any color here. And if you select color by that color, it will glorify it. So we can select it this now. Okay, we can make it off. Then we have image option. Okay, so this is the very important option of image we have. So we can import, browse any image from our desktop or system. Okay, so click on add file and click on that. So the moment when I click, in all the card visuals, this same image is imported because in series I have selected all. Okay, so I want to show this to you, so you can make it off. Then we have accent bar option. If you open it, there will be bar on the left side of this visual. You can make it of black color, you can make it of blue color, you can make it of any color you want. Okay, so this is our visual, and shadow nodes look good in that visual, so we will close the option of shadow. Okay, in cards we have option of shadow, so we will close the option of shadow. Okay, now it will look like that. Okay, let's start. First start with apply settings to. So okay, so first we'll select average rating because I want to apply all the settings to average rating. Okay, so what I will do, fill is already done. I want to fill it with background image. Okay, so I want to import the background image for my system. I don't want to choose color from this. Okay, so I already downloaded some colors, so I will choose this one. Okay, and I will make it fit, so it will fit up like this. Then we have border option. We have already opened it. If you want to open the shadow, then you can open like that, but I don't want right now. Then we have glow option. We will make it later on. Then we have image option. I want to import the image, so I have the image for average rating. So here is there is the rating image. So it will not look good. Image is not looking good. So sorry, image is not looking good. So how we can do that? We can make it image fit. We can make it fill. So if we make it fill, it will look like that. And we can also arrange the position of that. I want it top of my average rating. Okay. So by this way, image is showing like that. Then we have accent bar option. We will make it later on. Okay. Now I will select total gross income, and I will import background image in that. So this is a background image. I want to make it fit, and then border is already on, shadow I don't want. Glow we'll make it later. Image, so I want to import image. Import of image of total gross income. So this is the image of total gross income, and we can make it fill, and then we can arrange it top of our this ratings labels. Then we have accent bar, we'll make it later. Now we will move forward with total quantity. Select total quantity here. Then you can fill it with color, another color. So I will make it fit, and then we'll move on to image option. So image, we have option of image quantity, and we can make it, sorry, not fit, we can make it fill, and we can position it top of our labels. Okay, then we will move to next option, that we have total sales. Okay, in total sales I want to fill it with background image. So this is a background image, make it fit, and then move on to image option. I will import some image of total sales. So this is a total sales image, and I want to make it fill and arrange it top of our labels. Then we have total unit price. Okay, so make change here from series total unit price, fill it with some background color. So this is a background color, and make it fit. Then we will import some image in that of total unit price. So this is our image, and we can position it top of our labels, and we can make it fill also. Yeah. So now it will look good. Okay, and what we can do now, so this is, we can decrease the size of this also according to our labels and our images present in that. Then again go to cards and select all. Now we'll do some settings which will implement it to all the cards. Okay, so fill we have done, border we have done, shadow if you want you can on it. So in shadow it will look like that. You can decrease the size of this. Okay, like that. So shadow is looking good, but we want some another color of shadow, like shadow will be of gray color. Yeah, now it will look fine. Then we will glorifying it. I will take dark blue color to glorifying it, so it will not create a larger impact on our cards. Okay, because all the colors are in light. In neon it is there are some neon colors. I have downloaded it from Google. You can also download it. Okay, so it will create an good impact when you're creating dashboards and when you are creating some card visuals. Then image we have already done. Accent bar, so I also want to add. Okay, so I will make it off. You can either select black color, or you can either select dark blue color. So black color will look good because this is also dark blue color. So black color looks good, and we can increase the width of this also. So we can make it 10 pixel. Now it will look good like that. Okay, so we have done. Now we will do some uh, changes in our call out values, in our label values. Okay, so we can make it horizontally aligned, so our image, our labels and our values are horizontally aligned like this. And we can also choose white color for that. Okay, now it will look good. And we can also do some changes in label. We can also make it of white color and increase some size of that so that it will look good. Okay, so we have uh, done with all the changes. You can make it bold or you can make it non-bold. It's up to you how you want to do that. It's totally up to you. So I want to make it bold because there are some dark colors, dark blue colors, so it will look when we make it bold. Okay, so we can decrease the size of it now. Okay, now it is done. So you see, we have I show you this and I created the same visual, and I also told you how we can create that visual. Okay, so now in that visual there are some more options. We can also check with title. If you want title, so you can make it on. If you don't want, you can make it off. So here is no title is of no work, so I didn't add it. There are some effects option. You can change the background, add visual border, add shadows. Okay, so now then it will also look good. Then in shape, we have some other options like call out. We have also checked it. Then we have labels. We have checked it also. Spacing, we have checked it. If you want to increase or decrease the space. Now it is of small card vision, so we can decrease the space like that, so that it will look good. Okay. Now if you want to arrange it in the middle of your dashboard, you can arrange it in the middle. If you want to arrange it in the right side or left side uh, of the dashboard, so you can make it all, you can do it also, because you have grid option. Okay, so in grid option you can find those options as well. If you go to properties, so you have position. If you want to make it horizontal or make it vertical, so it will depend on you. You have some advanced option also. Then you have effects option, visual border. If you want to add border to overall card visual, so you can do that. You can make it shadow of this also. Okay, so then it will also look fine. So all the other options that I will told you at the end, that is like you have already explored it. So this is the new card visual, and you have to add card new from here, and you have to just enable it from file in options. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. And if you didn't subscribe the channel till now, please subscribe the channel. If you didn't like the video, please told me in the comments what I can do to improve your experience. And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.